When we boarded the bus from the small town of Bayreuth, it was quite impossible to believe that just 45 minutes bus ride would take us into the so-called winter wonderland. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I am back after a long time. Today the whole group is here with us. Some of them are right there, and the others went out to
They went out to have some coffee.
yeah. And okay, anyways, today we are at this place which is around an hour journey from this town called Bayreuth, and this place has a funny name, by the way. It's called Oxhead. What?
In Deutsch, the place is called Ochsenkopf. So that means it mimics kind of the head of an ox, but I'm not sure if it actually mimics one of those. But this looks like truly a set out of Narnia.
Yeah,
Oh.
it looks like straight out of Narnia.
None of us had hiked a snow-covered mountain before. But as they say, there is a first time for everything. And so we started our first snowshoeing journey towards the 1024 meter high Ochsenkopf peak. Covered by thick, fresh snow, engulfed in the dense fog and occasional chilly wind, it wasn't really a piece of cake. The snow crystals had settled heavily around every single leaf, every single twig. There was no vegetation to be seen.
ঘোড়ার বাচ্চা আমি হ্যাঁ ছোলা খেয়ে ঘোড়ার মতো দৌড়াবো ঘোড়ার মতো দৌড়াবে না তো এ দৌড়াবে বলেছিল আমার কাছে ছোলা আছে বাবা দুজন ছোলা নিয়ে চলে এসেছে
সবাই ছোলা নিয়ে কনফিউশন করছে, বুঝতে পারছে না কি ঘোড়ার মতো দৌড়াবে ছোলাকে।
স্যানিটাইজার চল দাও সবাই বল বলতো
All that was there was fresh, cottony piles of snow in every single direction we looked. No birds chirped, no squirrels jumped, no insects buzzed, but we walked and we laughed and we took it all in, the thrill, the desire to explore the unknown. With our little jokes, it kept us alive. Soon we reached the peak through the blizzard, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is probably the true bliss of experiencing something new.
আমরা পৌঁছে গেছি একদম পিকেরও পিক যদি কাউকে বলা যায় তাহলে আমরা সেখানে আছি। এখানে চারিদিক কুয়াশা ঢাকা, হ্যাঁ, and we are standing on top of a
watchtower,
kind of watchtower, and everything is snow covered. You can feel the Narnia right beneath your feet, and it's so majestic. There are quite a lot of people over here, apart from us, obviously.
সত্যকিত তোমার কিছু বলার আছে?
He has rightly said. Expecting some white worker to just come in.
No, please don't.
They can be the we are standing at the balcony of Castle Black.
This has been truly the best trip in a long time in Germany. And for everyone, this is the first snowshoeing that we did, right? Anyways, you guys already saw that we went to the top of the town. Hi! ভিজে গেছে পুরো।
No, that's gonna be one
This
BTS.
is not okay. See you guys in the next video. Until next time, this is Mad Hatter signing off. Ciao, ciao.
চোখ বন্ধ করে খাচ্ছে